Welcome back again to our cooking demonstration. Our next dish is going to be beef salad, okay? I got a real nice beef here. It's a beef round, okay? That's what I use. A little bit of, it's not all, but you want a little bit of fat in there, you know, see the meat, okay? That's okay. Not much, not much, but pretty lean, okay? And what I'm going to do is season just a little bit of black pepper, salt and pepper. Okay, I want to sear it up a little bit. Okay. And pepper here. I tell you what. And pepper here. Just a little seasoning in the pan. That's all we're doing with this. Okay. I got the pan heat up pretty good. As you can see, all the smoke. Okay, I'm gonna turn up just a bit. Basically, I just want to sear this beef. All right. Alrighty. Yep. Okay, let that cook for a minute. Okay, both sides. I'm gonna grab me a skillet here and a chef knife. I'm sorry. Meat. Cook this about medium rare, okay? Okay, as the beef cooking, I'm gonna add my thing here so I can mix them up. I got red onions, okay? Red onion here. Okay, of course you can't do anything without garlic.
Oh yeah, gotta have lots of that. We love garlic.
Okay, cilantro and onion. Okay. Okay. Maybe a cucumber. I'm gonna save some for the garnish later on top. And a little bit of carrots. Carrots are sweet a little bit, you know, but it also make a beautiful color combination. Look at that, yeah, natural color, like picture. So I'll mix that up a little bit. I'm not gonna put lemon or anything until the meat is ready. Okay. I like my pretty rare. Are you okay with that? Okay. Okay. No? You're like well done or what?
No.
This not gonna be good. Well done. Seriously.
No. Well, not rare.
Can't take you anywhere. I tell you what, this is to save time. This is what I would do, okay? Because this is so thick, I'm gonna make you happy. I'm gonna cook that up a little more longer, okay? All right. Just that piece now. Yeah, yours gonna be right here. Okay. Now the meat here, I just showed my chef earlier today. Show him how I want this cut, right? The grain of the beef, the meat, or whatever, this way and this way. So you wanna, it's running this way, so you wanna cut against the grain to make it just tender.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the key of that. Okay, cut as thin as you can. Okay. I'll tell you, with this here, don't worry about it. You got lemon to cook the rest of the way. Lemon does do that to the meat. Lemon or lime. Okay. I'm gonna cut that off. Let that cook naturally now. With the rest of the way. Now that's a beautiful cut right there. Okay, here you go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split this a little bit. Okay, I got this for 2 beef. So I'm actually gonna make you separately. Okay. And I'm gonna put this in here. Go ahead and take this one out. Set for a minute. Okay, here you go. Here's the magic. This is where the magic come in, guys. Okay. Again, a little bit of fish sauce. Okay. Okay, mix that up a little bit. Okay, oh, you got garlic in there. There you go. A little bit lime juice. Okay. You can't do without this. Huh? Pepper. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, let the meat soak in all the lemon, all the flavors, cilantro and onion. And for a minute, okay? All right, and your beef salad. Here, I'm gonna check on the rice here a little bit. All right. All right, beef salad. Now this is like a part of the meal, okay? Like when you're ready to eat, this will be a part of the meal too. All right. Cucumber over here. Yeah. Huh?
Very nice looking.
All right. Eat same way you eat the lettuce here, but I got a surprise for you. How we normally eat it too. I'm gonna go ahead and make hers real quick.
Sad.
Definitely medium well.
Oh, that's okay.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not
Not
bad.
at all.
I can handle that.
Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We
Moo.
do. I do too. If it's a good piece of beef, then
We tried Kobe beef. Kobe.
Kobe beef.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this back right here.
I would try that way. Because they massage it with socket. Can you believe they do that?
Yeah, they're still alive. I mean, they actually go out and in the field massage this cow, make the meat tender. Seriously. Yeah.
You pay for that massage too.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Garlic. Fish sauce, of course. You want you a little bit hot or no? Okay. Okay.
Probably you.
Oh, I like it.
Mm.
The more wine you have, the more
Oh, yeah.
how you like it. Yeah.
Korean cooking is really opening up.
Good. I don't know. I think I don't know what his issue is with this, but I had to
Try one. Haven't tried yet.
keep on.
Yeah.
Do I get some cilantro?
I put some in there already. I get a little more. Okay.
Okay.